live it for you. Y'all were blessed with a talent for a reason. Y'all gotta share this with the world. So before I start, I ask that each and every one of y'all, please pull out your phones. Each and every one of y'all. Because what I have to say is important, and this needs to go around the world, and this is gonna save lives, y'all. This really is gonna save lives. So please pull out your phones. Thank y'all so much. As y'all record this, after this video, y'all, please, after y'all record, share anytime y'all can, Facebook, Instagram, share, tag people that y'all know is caught up in this street life out here that needs this. It's a purpose to this message. I was shot by a 13-year-old, November 21st, and it made me realize, forget retaliation, I need to do something to help these kids because you got somebody that's 13 who can't travel 40 blocks, but they ready to shoot a gun. They can't have sex, but they ready to do life in jail. You understand what I'm saying? Thank y'all. I say put your guns down, pick your life up. Thank God he made me put the gun down and pick a mic up. Hey yo, before you back out, just close your eyes and think about your life after you black out. Guns down, life up. Respect doesn't come because you left someone lifeless. What power you gonna gain? What money will you obtain? How can you face day-to-day life knowing that you're responsible for all the tears that come behind death and all the blood stains? Guns down, because when the trigger is pulled, it doesn't only kill the victim, it kills everybody, including you. And no peace will come. It would only conduct more violence. Take a life because you feel someone's a loud mouth, you want their voice to be silenced. Life up. 25 to life means your life's up. In a cell, your life's stuck because you chose to leave somebody's life struck by letting that pipe bust. And bullets are anonymous. They don't have a name. And will let loose they hit innocent people because the shooter has scared nerves and bad aim. It's insane. Because all that rage you felt for those 15 seconds, it turns into a lifetime of regret and pain. And your name on a murder report isn't how you want to get the fame. My brother, think about your mother. How you won't be able to hug her. How you won't be able to help support the house and you can't tell her you love her. Now think how your target won't get a chance to do the same. Life up. Killing others isn't why Martin and Malcolm gave their lives up. But put that gun down and pick up a book. It's bad enough society looks at us as crooks. We only good for sports, making babies and spitting the hole. You gotta dumb it down to be smart. Be smooth as a fox, cause guns are a double homicide. You'll both end up in the box. Guns down, life up. Life up with the guns down. We all believe in karma, so them shots you let off will come right back around. Cause death leads to more death, so the toll will keep stacking. And these cops do random black and Hispanic people searches. So you mean 10 years of shell is worth you packing? Nah, let's stop the cycle. Let your mind be the rifle. Use knowledge as bullets to load up your minds. Killer pockets are the ones that want to keep us down. That's the perfect crime. Be strong, man up, put stupidity down. And think of others for your future to raise life up. And when you open your eyes, just put the gun down and walk away. Thank you.